Good afternoon. My name is Angela Monsalve. I belong to the B1 English group of Industrial Engineering. I like my document. On this occasion, I come to invite you to Utica, Cundinamarca. Travel Itinerary, Utica, Cundinamarca. Utica, Cundinamarca. Utica, Cundinamarca is a place with a warm climate, with beautiful landscapes and many species of animals. You can enjoy swimming pools, rivers and streams. Duration of the trip. Your trip in Utica of 3 days and 2 nights offers the plan. Day 1. Delivery of the camping area or cabin and romantic diner. Day 2. Breakfast and activities chosen according to the plan. Lunch, horseback riding at ATV ride. Day 3. Breakfast and outdoor activities, ecological walk and the visits to tourist place of the place. Means of transportation. On the trip you can use your motorcycle or car because it has access to roads. For extreme activities, transportation service is offered. Activities to do. The proposed activities, depending on the chosen plan, can be canopy, which is jumping from tree to tree held with a rope. Rafting. In a plastic raft, 8 people are accommodated with their respective guide and navigate through the river. ATV rider. A distance of 5 kilometers outward and 5 kilometers back is covered. 5 kilometers round trip and 5 kilometers return ride on barefoot horse. Place to stay. You can stay in Extreme Utica or in Caimo Park. Typical foods. You can choose your food from homemade food, fast foods and natural fruit juice. Cost. The value varies according to the plan and the activities chosen, but per couplet approximately 450,000 pesos are paid. Images: horseback ride, canopy and rafting. Thank you.